Hi, welcome to the workshop. I'm Jamie, the Worcestershire cabinet maker. I make furniture and all sorts of things like that. But this video is about briquettes. So while I'm making this bench, I'm also making sawdust, which is going through my machines. Let me show you what I mean. So last week I was machining some timber up. That filled the bag up. It's gone into there. Now I've got to get rid of that bag of sawdust. And what I do with my sawdust is I make briquettes. All of these briquettes here I've made myself, different methods. These are made in that machine there, which is great. These are made by hand, just roll it up as a ball, which is great. These are made in margarine tubs, and actually this is what I'm talking about today. So if you look at that, look at how much it's shrunk. So I've been thinking about how I'm making these, and the press seems to be the bit that's stopping people making them. Well, now all in one hit, in one edit, I'm going to show you how to make them without a press. So sawdust, coffee grounds. The volume is about, so 2 parts sawdust to 1 part coffee grounds to half a part water. Mix it together, leave it for a few weeks, and you get something a bit like that. Leave it a bit longer and it looks a bit like that. And then if you need to, add more water. So that's what I've done today. And I've also add some ash out the fire, because somebody said, why don't you add ash out the fire? So there's some ash in here as well. And all I want to do, really, quick video. I've had at least 1 million views. My views on my briquettes now, because somebody else has used one of my videos on TikTok, I've had about 1.5 million views of how I make my briquettes. So this has got to be the easiest. Put it in there. Give it a shake. Turn it around. All the water is going to the top. The air bubbles are coming out. Try not to drop your phone. Push it down a bit. Yeah, that's all right. Look at that. There's no air bubbles at all in there. And what this will do over a period of time is dry out. And yes, it's wet, but that'll dry quicker than you realise. I will take those home. I'll set them up somewhere outside in the somewhere where they can dry out, under cover. The air can get to them, and that's it. That is one of my briquettes. Let me just show you what I'm doing. So these will sit here. Here's some more I made earlier, and they're just sitting there drying out. That can sit on top. And leave them to dry. Once they've dried about and they've got a gap around them of about 5 mil, because they will shrink down, and as they're shrinking down, they're getting more hard, they're getting more compressed, they're getting more compacted. You don't need a press. It's doing it naturally. It shrinks down, and then it ends up quite a bit smaller, as you saw on the other ones, quite a bit smaller. Let me just show you. Quite a bit smaller. And that's nearly a centimetre. That's 3/8 of an inch. And I should imagine I should be able to just, yeah, it's moving around. There you go. Now this isn't done, this was compressed into here. So that's different to this method. This was batch number 22. This is batch number 23. So batch number 23 is more watery to do it the way. So that's it, basically. Burn. About 2 hours. About 2 hours for these, but the ones that I do in the press, because they're bigger, then those are just over 2 hours. These are done in jam jars. I've got loads of videos on these. So there you go. I've got about 35 videos in a playlist called Briquettes Making and Burning. So I've burnt them, I've been testing them. I'm trying to get as much heat as possible from as little as few briquettes as possible. So the longer the burn, the better it is. And don't forget, on this one, I've added the ash, so that's going to be different. So come back next month and I will have another video on how they're going each month and how we're doing. I record everything, I record all the details. Briquettes without a press. Like, share, subscribe, all the rest. It makes all the difference. Comment below if you think this is a good way or if you think you know a better way. Thanks for watching. Cheers.